Well, honestly, what I was envisioning is turning out something beautiful, perfectly made, that would eventually be an heirloom. And that's what I did.
That box is a gift from my father, who's the founder of our company, and it just sort of poured everything that he knows how to do in a great way into a real small little product to symbolize our thanks and appreciation for what the Davises have done and what the Seaside Institute stands for. The Davises created a movement that's got a life of its own now, so great to be involved with that. The presentation box that my father made, it was kind of a culmination of everything that our family's done in this area. Robert and Daryl had this vision of Seaside and developing something in a way that nobody had done before, certainly not in our area. And I don't think that they probably know, maybe even to this day, how impactful that was for our family, and surely for a bunch of people that have made their careers and livelihoods all along 30A.
You know, those boxes represented a lot of the way that my grandfather thinks. So many people might have just grabbed a bunch of different pieces of mahogany. The way that he did it was pretty unique and reflects a lot of the way that he works. I also know that he was very persistent in what he did there. Many iterations, many tests, many different trials to make it exactly what he wanted it to be. Recipients being extremely pleased with what they received.